Hi guys, today a video about a cable. Why? Because I wanted to try. I've read so many things on different forums and people fighting very heated discussions about USB cables for if when you have a DAC and if it's going to improve the sound or not. For example, if you connect your DAC to your computer, I have a computer here, I have my ADI-2 DAC on the other side, and in between I'm using, or at least I was using a regular USB cable. I already changed the cable. It's exactly like this one, but I kept this one unopened so I can show you how it is. And so I will talk about a little bit about this brand. So it's a Swedish company, and they are making different things, and they have the Supra cables. It seems they are pretty good. I read many good. I read many good feedback on those cables. And it seems, unlike other manufacturers, they have a certification from the USB consortium or whatever it is. And so what I ordered, so yeah, you can see probably there are different length, and it's gold plated and it's shielded. And yes, you have the bandwidth here. Made in Sweden, so made in Europe. As usual, as I say, you need to support your local economy. I mean, Germany, probably there are German brands, but I bought this one from a German store. And one thing, yeah, I will open. One funny thing is I bought the 07 and I received the 1 meter instead. So I checked the bill, and so this is the bill I received, and they put 1 meter, and I contacted the guy and I said, but I ordered the 07, and they said, oh yeah, but we ran out of 70 centimeters, so we sent you the 100 centimeters, so 1 meter. And so yeah, it's a bit longer than expected, but anyway, I'm not sure it's always good to have longer, because the longer the cable is, the more subject to interferences it will be. So, but anyway, it's good. I don't think 30 centimeters will make a big difference in my case. So probably it has been reviewed also. I've read some reviews online. So this is how the cable is. So you have a tiny scratch. You have the cable, very well made. You can feel the plastic, it's good quality. It's protected up, Supra cable. And same for, so this is USB A, this is USB B, and it's a USB 2 cable, USB 2 A to USB 2 B. The reason is, well, there's no need for USB 3 cable, at least for the equipment I have. And I'm just wondering, oh yes, okay, this is a purifier from Hi-Fi, and I was wondering if it would work with it. In one of previous video, oh, sorry, I made, yeah, I touched the cable of the recording, so sorry about that. So you remember the Diablo here, and so probably if I plug this here and I plug this like that, supposed to purify the signal. Then I plug this to the computer and it should be perfect. So in theory, I don't know. I didn't try it. So yeah. Okay, for now I was charging the Diablo. I was up. So I will try later after this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you are interested, just have a look at what they do. I think the prices are pretty interesting also compared to other cables. I know many people are fighting about cables, and you can spend, I think sky is only the limit for cables. I've seen cables like 1,000 euros for, I don't remember, a 1 meter, something like that, or 180 centimeters. And I don't know, after they use copper, gold, diamond, whatever. After, yeah, some people are calling, you know, they gave names to people who are fanatics, and they want to improve the sound with cables, with oh, what was that? Something about stones also to absorb some bad signals. After it's Esoteric, and they call them, so the other guys are calling them the idiophile, or in French we would say idiophile, but yeah, idiophile. I don't know, I will stay out of this. I just think that a cable, unlike what I read on the different Facebook groups or comments online, a cable is not bringing or transporting 0 and 1. It's not digital. This is like any other cable. It's always analog. So there's a signal going through the cable. It's not a tiny bit traveling from here to here. No, from here to here. So it's not 0 and 1. And I think when a cable is properly shielded, then you avoid some electromagnetic interferences, especially if you have you know, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or other things around, electricity also. So if it's a minimum shielded, and it should be fine. And honestly, on the RME ADI-2 DAC, I replaced, so I was using the stock USB cable, and now I use this cable. And for my ears, I didn't notice anything. So I was not able, or maybe my ears are not as good as some others, but I'm not able to perceive a difference in audio. So I know some people are saying, yeah, it's bringing air in the between instruments, so it's altering the imaging. You have a wider zoom stage, blah blah blah. And honestly, I would be tempted to say this is bullshit, because my cable before and this cable, nothing changed. Probably the signal is slightly better, but that's it. So anyway, that's another discussion. And so far, nobody has been able to measure differences between cables regarding the signal in terms of audio. So the audio quality, unless you have a very bad cable, of course. But regarding a cable which is 100 euro and one which is 500 euros, it's probably the tests were always giving the same results. We cannot perceive any differences, or at least the instruments cannot measure the differences. Unless you have some strong interferences, then you need a better protection for your cable. Anyway, I stopped talking. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.